guys, welcome back to the channel. Very excited to announce that we have a new collaborator in Garage Bots. His name is Camilo Andres Pena. He's from Fairfax, Virginia, and he just picked up his new Audi TT MK1. So he's very excited to share that journey with us, and you need to stay tuned because he's going to share many more videos. So let's have a look at Camilo's TT, and remember to subscribe. Thank you.
So here I am at Reagan National Airport, about to fly to Greensville, South Carolina, to pick up my Audi for the first time. It's been months that I've been scouring the internet to find the perfect 2001 TT with low mileage and well taken care of, and I think I finally found it. So flying out to go pick it up. Here we are in Greensville, South Carolina. Just landed. I am giddy with excitement. I can't wait to go see this car. Here it is, 2001 TT Quattro, 225 horsepower, generation 1, all original, one owner. Less than 90,000 miles on it in the last 20 years. It is absolutely gorgeous, spotless on the interior. I wish it wasn't nighttime right here, but I'm so excited to drive this baby home. She looks amazing. I am one happy camper. Here we are filling up with gas for the long 380-mile trip back home from South Carolina to Virginia. It's gonna be a long night. I show up tomorrow morning around 6:30, but I get to know this car tonight, and tomorrow go through it all. Well, I'm back from a grueling 6-hour drive back from South Carolina, where I flew out to pick up this. This is a 2001 Audi TT Quattro, 225 horsepower, one owner from South Carolina. A little backstory behind the car before I get into it. I've been looking for a TT for about 6 months on the internet. I started my search in the state of Virginia, worked my way to Maryland, DC, California, to Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina. And I got a notification that a new car was posted, and I looked at it and I found this one owner, an incredible owner who has kept this car as a weekend driver. It has a total of 97,000 miles on it, and it's 20 years old, so he's driven it less than 5,000 miles each year. And the best thing about him is he's one of these owners who keeps immaculate maintenance records of everything he's done to it, and he keeps it in the garage. The paint is absolutely flawless. There's a few dings here and there, but nothing that can't be worked out. It's very clean. The motor runs spectacular. You can tell that he's definitely taking care of it. But I'm excited to have a first gen Audi TT in my garage. I've been looking for this car in silver. I wanted the baseball interior, but I'll settle for the black. But it is fast. But now I'm in the dilemma because it is so original. I don't know if I should just keep it the way it is, because I do want to modify it a little bit to get some more horsepower out of it. But to touch it and to ruin its originality is the dilemma I think we all face. But I don't know. We'll see where we're gonna go with it. You can see here, it is just spotless all the way around. But the interior, I mean, it doesn't even look like it's been sat in. It is spotless. Carpet is perfect. Instrument panel's perfect. Everything works. Even the LED that doesn't work on most of them works. It runs like a kitten. Let me get her started for everyone. Oh, she is just beautiful. I just love to hear her get started. But the business end, (100% original motor, never been modified, always serviced at the Audi dealership from all his receipts. I went through it, I couldn't find anything wrong, and it just hauls. I mean, this thing's got power for days. I'm excited. Well, that's it, the Audi TT. I hope to keep you guys posted if I start going in the modification route and give you guys updates on what's going on. Thanks for watching.